Hey there, it's Anna. Ever wondered what the secret sauce is to building a genuine sexual attraction with women? You might think it's about looks, money, or even fancy cars, but there's so much more beneath the surface. Today, we are diving into the real essence of what makes a woman feel that magnetic pull towards you. By the end of this video, you'll uncover strategies and mindsets that go beyond the superficial, tapping into a level of attraction that's sincere and long-lasting. If you've ever wanted to step up your game and connect on a deeper level, this is your chance. Let's unravel the secret together, shall we? Body language speaks volumes. Alright, gentlemen, here's a spicy secret. Before you even open your mouth, she's already reading you. Not through mind reading, but your body language. Body language is like the background music in a romantic scene. It sets the mood. Standing tall and maintaining that eye contact, this screams confidence. Slouched shoulders and diverted eyes? Not so much. Psychologists emphasize that up to 70% of our communication is nonverbal. Crazy, right? Here's a tactic. Try mirroring. When she tilts her head or takes a sip of her drink, do the same. This subconsciously builds rapport and creates an invisible thread of connection between the two of you. So the next time you are on, think of it like a dance. Match her rhythm and you'll both be vibing in no time. Master the art of touch. The realm of touch is a powerful domain in the dance of attraction. It's like a secret language that can convey intrigue, interest, and intent. Think of touch as an amplifier. It takes what's already there and cranks up the volume. Light casual touches can make a conversation feel more intimate, while a lingering touch can send shivers down her spine. Start with small gestures, a gentle pat on the back as you laugh at her jokes, or a brush of your fingers when you hand her a drink. As that bond deepens and the signals get clearer, let the touches become more deliberate. It's a dance, gents. Every step, every move, every touch is an invitation for her to dance closer. So finesse it. Take your time and let the rhythm of your connection guide your hands. Voice, tonality, and tempo. Alright guys, let's chat about that voice of yours. You might have never given it much thought, but your voice can be your secret weapon in the game of attraction. Experts agree that a stable, deep voice exudes confidence and masculinity. But it's not just about sounding like James Bond, it's also the pace of your speech. Slow down, let each word have weight and meaning. By controlling the tonality and tempo, you can create an environment where every word you say feels intimate and genuine. Sensual conversation starters. Okay, now here's where things get a tad steamy. We're not just talking about those cheesy pickup lines. We are diving into conversations that tease out desires and fantasies. Asking open-ended questions, showing genuine interest in her answers, and sharing a bit of vulnerability can ignite passion. Psychologists say that deep personal conversations can enhance feelings of intimacy, so ditch the weather talk and ask her about her wildest dreams or memorable travels. It's about sparking a connection that goes beyond the surface. She needs to find you attractive. Now, attraction isn't solely about chiseled abs or that jawline that can cut glass. Psychologists tell us that authentic attraction often springs from shared values, humor, and yes, personal grooming. So gents, wear that smile, choose a scent that speaks you, and know your worth. Remember, when you feel good about yourself, it radiates and makes you irresistibly attractive. Always remember that every woman is different. Every woman is her own universe. While some may swoon over poetic texts, others might find them cheesy. Experts agree that understanding this can mean the difference between a thriving relationship and a doomed one. So instead of using a one-size-fits-all approach, get to know her quirks, her passions, and tailor your approach. It shows you care, and guess what? Women find that super attractive. Find out what she wants. Here's a game changer, gentlemen. Ask her what she wants. Seems simple, right? But you'd be surprised how many men actually miss this. Don't just assume, engage her in an open conversation about her desires and boundaries. Studies have shown that open communication is a major key in understanding and building attraction. It's a two-way street after all. Understand that her needs will change. Just as the seasons change, her needs and desires will evolve too. Whether it's life changes, age, or just her mood on a particular day, being attentive and adaptable is key. Remember, it's not about rigid rules, but about flowing with the journey. As experts say, understanding and embracing change can make your bond even stronger and more passionate. You need to be yourself. Listen up, gentlemen. In the world of dating, authenticity is the real MVP. Psychologists often highlight that women are typically attracted to genuine personalities over facades. So, no matter how tempting it might be to play a role, being the truest version of yourself always wins hearts. After all, real recognizes real. Imagine connecting with someone who loves the real you, quirks and all. Magical, right? Be confident. Confidence is, without a doubt, one of the most attractive traits, and it goes way beyond just looking the part. Experts agree that self-assuredness in who you are and what you bring to the table is magnetic. But here's the thing, it's not about arrogance, but rather believing in yourself and your value. Walk into a room believing you are worthy of love and connection and watch the magic unfold. It's all about feelings. Alright guys, it's time for a heart-to-heart. Relationships and attraction are as much about feelings as they are about the physical. Studies show that building an emotional connection can enhance sexual attraction big time. So don't be afraid to open up, be vulnerable, and truly connect on a deeper level. Trust me, it's a game changer. Up your hygiene game. Fellas, cleanliness isn't just next to godliness, it's right up there with magnetism. Clean, crisp, and fresh are the trifecta of an irresistible man. It's beyond just taking regular showers. Imagine the allure of fresh laundered shirts, the subtle scent of a tantalizing cologne wafting as you walk by. It's these simple gestures that amplify your attractiveness quotient. And it's not just for others. Feeling clean and polished gives you that swagger, that extra pep in your step. So before that next date, invest some time in grooming. Because let's face it, there's nothing sexier than a man who knows how to take care of himself. Remember to flirt. Alright guys, leaning for this one. Flirting is the gateway to building that sizzling sexual tension. When you are in the early stages of dating, flirting acts like a magnetic field, drawing her closer to you. Psychologists point out that flirting helps gauge mutual interest and creates a safe space to express attraction. But here's the catch, you've got to be genuine about it. A heartfelt compliment about the way her eyes light up or teasing her lightly about her quirks can really set the tone. And it's not just about words, a knowing glance, a playful nudge, or holding eye contact a tad bit longer can amplify the tension. Research indicates that playful flirting increases the production of oxytocin, the feel-good hormone. So ignite those sparks, create a buzz, but always keep it respectful and real. It's all about that dance between two souls eager to connect on a deeper level. Don't get too handsy. Gentlemen, boundaries are crucial. Studies reveal that women value personal space and find men who respect boundaries more trustworthy and appealing. This isn't about being distant, but being mindful. It's about understanding the cues and ensuring she's comfortable. The key, watch, listen, and gauge her comfort level before making a move. Take it slow. Here's a golden nugget. Experts agree that building suspense and anticipation can elevate attraction. It's like the crescendo in a song. You don't need to rush into everything. Letting things unfold naturally, savoring each moment, each laugh, each conversation can set the stage for an unforgettable connection. Be the man you want to be. Now, I can't stress this enough. Authenticity is the way forwards. Don't just adopt traits because they seem attractive. Be the best version of you, the man you are proud of. Women appreciate sincerity, and when they see you are genuine, it boosts your allure tenfold. Emotional connection. Listen up guys, sexual attraction isn't just about the physical. An emotional connection amplifies everything. It's the glue that binds those fiery moments. When you connect with a woman emotionally, understanding her desires, fears, dreams, and joys, it makes for a profound bond that transcends the physical. Mastered the art of attraction? Now discover the initial qualities she's scanning for in you, or get ahead by knowing queries that she pops when she's into you. Which avenue will you explore next? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.